Hey everyone, I'm Brad. Recently, a new popular effects video has gained attention on TikTok, the dynamic light waves. This effect is very cool and many hotties will use this effect in their videos. I believe that all of you are interested in the production process of such videos, so today I will show you 2 ways to make these dynamic light wave effects videos. So first we have to shoot our dance video, so we can move our hands to the music. Then save the BGM you need and we can go to the editing process. Open CapCut. Click plus to upload the video you just filmed. Click to mute the clip audio. Add the BGM we saved earlier. Click auto generate. With the rhythm of the music, click split where the yellow dots are. Repeat the same process for every other yellow dot in this video. Click split at the midpoint of the second clip we split earlier. Adjust the speed of the first half of the split clip to 4 times. Select the second half of this split clip and adjust the speed down to 0.4. Then drag the video turning point aligned with the yellow dots. Repeat the same process. Do the same thing for every other split clip. Click on the effect button. Add flashlight effect to the first clip. Then add the flashes effect to the slow motion part of the video. Add flicker effect to the sped up part. Finally, click filters to pick a filter that you like to enrich the texture of your video. There is also an easier way to do so. First, split the video. Select the parts that need to adjust the speed. Click speed to adjust the video speed. Then reselect the video. Click style. Choose auto velocity. Add the shake effect to the beginning of the video. Last but not least, export your work. Now let's look at the final product. You got it? Have a try.